Hello friends, today we will discuss how to do data analysis in Excel sheet. Data analysis is one of the most important topics in Excel sheet. So today we are going some initial parts of the data analysis in this lecture, and we will keep doing some other lectures on this part or on data analysis in our other lectures. So before going to start the lecture, I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I have created a complete course on Excel with Excel learning, and till today we have uploaded 20 lectures, and today we are going to add an additional lecture, that is 21. So going back to the Excel sheet so that we can do today's lecture. So this is our Excel sheet, and we have some basic data with the headers and the data. First of all, you just look normally. Initially, this option is not activated by default. The data analysis tool you can see here. If you do not see this option in your Excel sheet, then you should not worry. You can add this very easily. It is so simple. Just go to File option and click on Options. Here you have multiple options on the left side. Just click on Add-ins and come to Excel Add-ins. And then come here, Analysis Tool Peg. You should select this option and click on Go. So this would create a pop-up option where you can select some options. Analysis tool peg, you have to check it, and then if you want to have analysis tool peg VBA, then you can check, and then your currency tool and so on. I would recommend to check all of these options so that if you need them to use in future, you should have these activated. So after this, you click on OK. I would not click on OK because I have already activated this option. So I click on Cancel. So now you have, this may take some time, 2 to 3 minutes to activate the data analysis tool in your Excel sheet. So click on data analysis. You would have this pop-up option. Today we are going to cover descriptive statistics. We would cover other topics, other functions in data analysis also in our coming lectures, but today we are going to cover descriptive statistics. And I would click on OK. You would have this pop-up dialog box. Now you should select the range. I would select these two columns. The first column has roll numbers, and the second one is with marks obtained by the students. So you should select your columns with headers so that you can have them in the page that would show the results. So you want to have the data in columns form or row forms. I would have to have it in columns form. Then labels in the first row, you want the labels in the first row, yes, and then output range, then new worksheet PLY. what name you want to give to the worksheet where the data analysis would be created or shown. I would give a data table or analysis table. You may give any name you want and then click on summary statistics, and then what options you want you can add. This would tell you the summary statistics and then confidence level for mean, and then the largest value, and then the smallest value in the range you have selected. Now I would click on OK. So you would be taken to the new sheet which has been created. This is the new sheet with data table. You can expand the rows so that these are visible. I would make it a bit larger so that you can see it visibly. So this is the data we have created through data analysis. You have the mean for both of the columns, mean for the roll numbers and mean for the marks, and then standard errors. These all topics or the technical names pertains to statistics. So if you are doing some functions related to statistics, you would be needed data analysis, or you would be using data analysis tool. So sample variance, standard deviation, cortices, skewness, and so on, and the largest value in the first column and the second column, and the smallest value, and so on. So this is how we do data analysis in Excel. This is very useful tool, so you can use it for your good, for your work, and you can save a lot of time. So thank you for watching this video. In the last, I would request you once again to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go through all of the videos in this playlist on my channel. Once again, thank you so much for your time.